terms of watching the film last night, we did some really good things. Obviously, there's a lot of things we can do better. The level of competition, I want to be really high. I want you to be competing at a very high level. We're probably going to be playing 4 or 5 games, and that's what we're going to be doing predominantly during practice here. So get yourself ready to play, get ready, self-focused, and let's get after it here.
Points on 3, 1, 2, 3.
Points!